This is WeVideo.
Simple to get started with. It works on most devices and especially your Chromebooks. So to get started for our project, we're going to hit blank edit. It might ask you, where do you want to start this project? I'm going to make, I've already made something earlier and I'm going to call this MiFamilia. Doesn't matter if you don't have this option right now. I'm going to just hit start editing. So we've got our video lines, 1, 2, and audio clips. Over here we also have a zoom in, zoom out slider. That'll help you to move in and out to try to figure out if you've got enough space for your voiceover. All right, so the stock media star button, you can search for images here if you need something maybe for a background, or you just want to talk about maybe you really enjoy basketball with your family and you want to talk about that particular thing. So you might be able to find some images to go along with it. If I want to use one of these things, I could drop it in here. But this really depends on what you're trying to film. So here I can put in a clip. All right. When I want to find my pictures, I go to My Media. I go to Import. And now it may be easier to browse to select here, because on your Chromebook, you can find your different video clips and you're shared with me in the the files menu in Drive. So here is my Google Drive. If I click on the little down arrow and move to share, since I shared my folder to my school account, I can click on shared with me. You might also hit my drive and just look for it. I'm gonna click in here and type in MiFamilia, because I called my folder MiFamilia. So here is my pictures from my MiFamilia folder. All right, so I could select one, but I could also select multiple. And I'll just do that top one too. And I'm gonna hit open. Now those clips are importing here. And now I could go in and drag my video clips in here in the order that makes most sense. You might get a import and process thing. So if I want to put a picture of my dog in, I can put my dog in. When I'm ready to start recording my voiceovers, I click on the narration button. So when I'm ready to record, I just press this red microphone. I have my script ready, and este es mi perrito mole. She is a blah blah blah. So if I have my audio clip there, I just recorded, great. Now I just hit the green check to mark it in. And now I've got my playhead here, my puppy picture there, and here is my voiceover 1. I really suggest that you record your sentences that go with each picture, so that way you can move things around and make sure that the picture stays on with your voiceover the whole time. I might need to use the arrow here to make that match my voiceover. So you want to make sure that those two pieces are lined up. All right, if you made a mistake, you can also use the zoom slider to help you zoom in on your voiceover and make it bigger. So that way you can use the playhead to help you trim off parts that you don't need. Is a blah blah blah. So I made a mistake on the end. Oh, there's my video at the top there. But I want to get back into my voiceover line. So I'm just going to zoom this out a little bit. So here's my voiceover over here. So I'm going to move my playhead down the way to my voiceover. Este es mi perrito mole. I'm just going to back that up again because I wasn't quite sure if it was playing back neatly. She is a blah blah blah. So this last chunk here of speech bubble was kind of a mistake. So I could press that scissors icon and it should split the audio back and forth here. So now I can click off the part of the recording I don't like and press the trash can or the backspace key. Now it's just a matter of lining up your audio with your video, putting recording each sentence and recording each voiceover. I hope that helps get you started with your project. Remember, you can experiment in with transitions, background pictures, text. So if you do want to put some lettering over your work, you can do so. Now it's time for me to share my project out. I've made my project up. I've put my titles in. I've put all my pictures in, recorded all my voiceovers, and everything's lined up how I want them. When I press the space bar, everything just works. Everything's perfect. Well, I want to hit the finish button. And then I'm going to give a title for my project with probably your name for your project, for your class. And then I'm going to hit set. And then here I can choose the resolution. I want my video with audio. I can pick a thumbnail for my video. And then I want to set my destination and choose the Google Drive icon. We don't want to mark as public. Your teacher should be able to see your work if you share your work in Drive. Now, if I hit export, it'll then upload my video and my window will tell me when it's all finished up. And it'll probably get an email as well when it's all ready. Hope this helps you guys. Good luck.